Yeah, it's early in the morning. Well, let's call it just 7 o'clock in the morning. And we were woken up with the sun this morning. It's going to be 22 degrees today. But having said that, it's bloody cold right now. It's about 8 degrees, I think. And I've got to dive in, get a walk done, because we're going to Wodonga today, and we've got to get that belt for the ride-on mower, and I forgot to ring them. I'll just drop in, and they'll probably say, yeah, no, we haven't got that, we have to order it. That's all right. I might look online before I go, and if they have to order it, I'll tell them no. If I can get one online, it'll be quicker. This is one of those things, because actually they can order it from where we were the other day, Melbourne, and it takes 10 days for whatever reason, where I can order it online, it takes 3 days. So anyway, it might be cheaper, you never know. I've been slack, I really have. Get my act together. Anyway, we thought we'll get out and be healthy, get down the road here, do a walk. I wanted to come down this way too because of school kids up there with their buses, and they congregate. And it's just, they look at that old fart. Anyway, no, down this way there's no people and not a lot of traffic either, so it's easy walking. And the ford actually is almost walkable. You can't go across it, but the water has gone down substantially, and won't be long before I'll be going a few extra kilometers because we can get through. That'll be fun. I don't know why I've got this. I think I'm on the OCD spectrum, and I like the walk down this way. Except when the snakes start coming out, then we go the other way. We leave it till about 10 o'clock in the morning and go that way. Oh dear. But it's nice and crisp this morning. We can hear the freeway over there, but it's not too bad. And we love being in the country. This is take 2. Yeah, I had it on Zoom. So anyway, we're almost home. We finished our walk, and what we'll do now is I'll get online and have a look and see if I can find a drive belt for our lawnmower, and failing that, we'll shoot up to Wodonga. We're going anyway, but yeah, I'll have a look, see if I can get it cheaper here online, and if they have to order it in, I'll say no. But yeah, we'll get online, do that, and then we'll go shopping. This is the video putting that belt on. Now I've already put it on and it works. Well, what I'm going to do is show you the hard bits. And there are a couple of hard bits, and it might throw you off kilter. So we'll work on it. All right. Here we are from the exhaust side. There's the grass exhaust side, and here's the that's hot too. Here's the belt. I'll get down here and I'll point things out. These things, it's hard to get the belt in between, but you've got to get them inside these things. There's one on each side, and these are the back spindles. Same on the other side with these things, one on either side. Get the belt inside those first. Do that. Then the next set are these two, and you can see in here there's another keeper, and you keep it inside. There's one on this side too, just there, keep the belt inside. That's how it goes, the outside, and it goes inside of both of those, like that. On the inside of this one, the inside of that one, keeping it in the keepers. And you've got a loop that goes up to another couple of keepers on the pulley that comes out of the engine. Now these are just open loops, and it sits in there on both sides, and then you roll it on to the pulley that comes out of the engine. What I'll do is I'll put a screenshot of the pattern to make it work. It's like a loop. It's not hard, it's just awkward, the best way I can explain it. But anyway, here's the screenshot of what the belt looks like looking down on top of it without the motor mower in the road, and you'll see how it fits on. And it's not a tight fit. Once you get it on, it's fairly loose, but it works. I've had it around the lawn, and I've cut some grass already. Oh, just very quickly to make sure it works, and it does. And there we go. See, that's what it looks like. And there we go. So it does work. You can do it. You don't need to get someone else to do it, but you've got to get on your hands and knees and get under the lawnmower. And as you can see by the jeans, it's a dirty process, but hey, if you have to get someone else to do it, it's going to cost you $100 an hour, and they're going to take that hour. Just as a final note with that belt and pulley situation, when you finally got it on, when I finally got it on, it felt like the belt was a bit loose. It's a correct belt for it, but the manual doesn't mention any pre-tensioners or anything like that with its installation. It just says work the belt on the best way you can, and that's it. So I think it's meant to be not super tight, just it's there and it runs the spindles which turn the blades. But anyway, I've got it on and it works, and if I have any problems, you'll be the first to know. But it looks, that's what you do. So what I've done seems to be correct, and that's not the second time in my life I've put a belt on. So for what it's worth, that's what I did. Look, if you like this content, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell, and please subscribe. That'd be huge. It'd be fantastic. It encourages me to do more, and I know that algorithm thing, it encourages that too. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in our next video.